city NYC is one of the most iconic and vibrant cities in the world. It is especially known for its cultural diversity, financial importance, and riches in the arts and entertainment sector. The city is a center where people from different cultures meet and live. New York is famous for its world-class restaurants, museums, theaters, shopping, and entertainment venues. Restaurants where you can discover a different flavor in every corner. World-famous art museums such as the Metropolitan Museum of Art, Museum of Modern Art. Entertaining nightlife and shopping. Issues such as traffic and congestion can sometimes pose challenges for city residents and visitors. However, the cultural richness, opportunities, and energy that New York has to offer often attract people and attract millions of people each year. Collect unforgettable moments. Meet new people and discover yourself in this magical city. New York awaits you and invites you to a journey into memories you will never forget. This magical city, with a different story hidden in every corner, is an exciting experience. See you in the next new Discovery videos.